I'm Connor, the founder of Fort. You may ask, Connor, what are you doing? Aren't you supposed to be selling people on the Fort Kickstarter? Well, actually, I am. You see, I'm sitting quietly, drinking a cup of coffee, while my kids play with their fort. Because the fort is so fun and so engaging and creates so many opportunities for open-ended play that I can just sit here quietly with all the pillows and all the couch cushions still on the couch. In fact, I even have a nice throw blanket that they haven't taken from me just in case there's a breeze. Do you hear that? The sound of me being left alone. What a wonderful world we live in. Magnetic pillow fort. Who would have thought? But don't take my word for it. Here are what some real parents have said about the fort.
Olive played independently for the majority of the time that we had the pieces at our house. So that was an outstanding experience. It really gets their wiggles out when they're feeling cooped up inside.
My daughter's been playing with it all day, on her own, so she has a little more.
It was a lot of fun. They've been playing with it nonstop since she brought it, so I actually curled my hair and let them go play on their own. They
Awesome.
can carry all the pieces around and do whatever they want with it.
Pretty good, right? Magnets mean that your builds won't fall down easily. We save your couch cushions from being destroyed, and the fort is even completely wipeable. In fact, the fort is so durable that we put it to the test with ketchup and dogs, and guess what? Totally fine. And we've gone to great lengths to make sure those magnets stay in there so that your kids don't get a hold of them. Now, we do see parents who are concerned about magnet safety a lot, so if you just don't feel comfortable or you have someone in your house with a medical implant, we've got you. We're offering a non-magnetic fort for those of you who are interested. The search for the perfect toy to entertain your kids is over. So get yourself a fort. Or four. I mean, who doesn't want to build a fort?
Oceanus Brass has developed a timeless cutting instrument, envisioned while at sea and inspired by tales of maritime beasts from below. The Kraken blade is made for adventurers. Tied to the art and science of sailing and exploration, the Oceanus Brass Kraken blade captures the fearless spirit of the ocean for your modern lifestyle. Machined from a brick of solid brass, the Kraken blade will withstand hard use. Oceanus Brass Engineering enables first-in-class, seamless blade deployments. Keep it magnetically locked or snap it open for unrestricted action. Built around a replaceable carbon steel blade, you'll be ready for tasks big and small. When dull, simply sharpen or replace the blade with a new one. The iconic bow shackle is the statement piece of the Kraken blade. Not only beautiful and eye-catching, but it makes fastening the Kraken blade to your favorite sailing jacket or travel bag simple. Whether you're a sailor, an outdoorsman, or someone who appreciates quality, we believe you'll love the Kraken blade as much as we do. The overwhelming success of our previous campaigns inspired us to try once more to push our boundaries. But we need your help to make this dream a reality. Please pledge for your Kraken blade today.
Yeah, you better listen. I'm bringing heat. You'll be a fan when I start rapping. Way I'll have your fucking head spinning. I'm known as spit vicious. Release bombs and go tick, tick. Boom, you blown me that head missing. I'm a phenomenon. Stacking cheese like it's Parmesan. 8 different flows, call me Octomom. I'm moving fast like the Autobahn. And I'm independent, so I'm not your fucking starving like it's Ramadan. Sick, twisted, gifted, can't copy, printed, can't hold me down. I shape shift, I'm liquid. I killed this beat, I might get convicted. They know how I move, it was predicted. Persistent, spoke it into existence, so consistent, no assistance. Hear me once, become addicted. If I rap it, then I live it. There's no cap when I be spitting this.
This ain't what you want, bitch, I'm a fucking phenomenon. This ain't what you want, bitch, I'm a fucking phenomenon.